The science of getting rich, 7 principles to learn. Principle number 1, thought is the starting point. A human being is a thinking center and can originate thought. Your thought leads to your feeling leads to your actions, and your actions lead to results. It means to hold the result in mind which you want, regardless of what its appearances are indicating in the outer world. Regardless of what its appearances are indicating in outer world. Principle number 2, how riches come to you. You cannot give a person more in cash value than you take from him, but you can give him more in use value than the cash value of the thing you take from him. Spend your money on investment which gives you good returns. It also applies when you earn the money, wherein you will have to provide your use value for the money which you earn or you wish to earn. Principle number 3, an attitude of gratitude. The moment you permit your mind to dwell with dissatisfaction upon things and they are your being to lose ground. The more you focus your mind, the more abundantly you will be rewarded. Principle number 3, thinking a certain way. The creative power within us make us into the image of that to which we give your attention. This means if you want to earn money and wealth, you must sow the thoughts of wealth and abundance in mind. Principle number 5, how to use the will. To set about getting rich in a scientific way, you do not try to apply your willpower to anything outside of yourself. To get rich, you need only to use your willpower upon yourself. When you know what you want, use your will and consciously direct your attention so that you focus on your outcome. Principle number 6, acting in the way, certain way. By thought, the things you want it brought to you. By action, you receive it. Visualizing what you want leads to thinking and acting in a certain way and eventually outgrowing from your environment. Principle number 7, the impression of increase. To desire for increase in a inherent in all nature. All great leaders understand that in order to be successful, they have to be surrounded by great people, and the way they do is by attracting them. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you. We will meet in a next video. Bye bye and take care.